I warmly welcome you back to class and the second video in our 3D cartoon journey. And right here, we are going to create our cartoon story. So you make sure you prepare your storyline. What are you writing about? All right, let me give you a tip. You can go to Chat GPT, openai.com, OpenAI. Then you make sure you can tell ChatGPT to generate a script for you, and you can use that script, all right, for your cartoon videos. Should in case you are not good in writing scripts, you can just go there and use it. All right, so thank you guys. Let's get started. So to get started here, I'm going to off head create a cartoon video. So the story lies off head. So let's get started. So you already know that once you open the app, it will make sure it's initialized. Okay, so it's getting things done, starting UI. All right, so let's stay calm at as it's finished. Okay, as it's finished. So this is actually our last scene we were working on. Okay, we were working on, so we are going to tap on it. We are not going to create a new video, but rather tap on it. All right, so whenever you tap on it, okay, whenever you tap on it, you see we have scamper sit to the right. This means that it has automatically or by default add one of our characters that we created here. So you could see we have scamper sit to the right. So now let's add another character, and we are going to add Lizzie, as I said, because I love that lady Lizzie. All right, so let's pick Lizzie here to sit to the left. All right, so Lizzie is sitting to the left. All right, so you know what we will do. Let's tap on this scroll button here. You see we have some scroll button here. So you see we have a bass sign, or bass sign right, bass sign left. So let's tap on bass sign. You will see Lizzie stand. Okay, you will see Lizzie stand. All right, so this is somewhere awesome. Let Lizzie stand. All right, choose your characters, or let their or position them according to your script. Okay, position them according to your script. All right, so let's tap on this. Okay, all right, let's tap on this. Okay, so but I will work with you on this later. Okay, I'll work with you on this later, but now let's look or focus on how to create the or how to make them conversate. Okay, so to creating the conversation, you just tap, or let me delete this and get started again. So without much ado, let's tap on this. Okay, so this is the conversation. Right after tapping on this, just tap on no actor to choose your actor. So here I've chosen Scamper. So Scamper will talk. You just tap there and type, "Oh, you are in." Oh, you are in. So how you punctuate your writings would depend or would determine how they will talk. So let's try to play. You can play it using this section here. You see we have the play button here. I don't want to make this tutorials.
Oh, you're in. Oh, you're in.
So you see he was speaking sharply. Okay. All right, so we will look at how to go about it, but I think we need to go to the character creation and make or change the language. Okay, change the speaker here, but we will maintain it for the sake of our tutorials. Okay, so let Lizzie talk. So you tap on this button, okay, to create the character. I forgot one thing, but I will go back and teach you. So Lizzie will speak. Yes. Hope I'm not late. Okay, I'm not late. All right, so when you do that, you see we have natural here. So you choose this, and this will uh, determine the expression of the character. So let's play Lizzie's voice.
Yes. Hope I'm not late.
Okay, so it was cool. So let's do this for Scamper. Okay, we lived. It seems Scamper was waiting for her since long because he has been waiting for her. All right, so right after doing that, okay, right after doing that, Scamper will come back again. Have a seat. So let me tell Lizzie to have a seat, or else she will be standing for long. So have a seat, or have a seat. Okay, have a seat, have a seat. The bus isn't in. The bus is not yet. The bus is not yet. All right, so this is cool. Let's play.
Have a seat. The bus is not yet.
Okay, so now I told Lizzie to have a seat. Okay, so you know what you are going to do here? For Lizzie to have a seat, you need to have a new scene. Okay, that's where the new scene sets in. So you tap on this. Okay, you tap on this, the scene section, and you tap on the drop down button, then you pick your current scene in the video again. So we have current scene in video. If you are not seeing it, just scroll here and you get it. Okay, so let's tap on it and pick it again. All right, so when we are done, we are going to position the actors very well. Okay, we are going to position the actors very well. So Scamper was sitting to the right. Okay, so Lizzie, all right, after adding Lizzie, Lizzie must sit to the left. So make sure you do these things carefully. All right, so Lizzie is now sitting. Okay, Lizzie is now sitting. All right, so Scamper will talk again. You you were late, but was fortunate the bus is not in. Okay, but was fortunate the bus is not in. So let's look at this. Okay, let's look at this. So you see this will make the conversation somehow nice. So let's play.
You were but was fortunate the bus is not in.
All right, so the playing the audio is crucial because you could know the mistakes, because I deliberately did this to show you that there was a mistake in it whilst I was playing. So you see I didn't add the late. Okay, I didn't add the late. So here is it. I've added the late and I will now play my video again. And
You were late but was fortunate the bus is not in.
all right, so this is how to engage your characters in conversation, and hope this is cool, because inside the next video we are going to how to professionally design your cartoon story. Okay, how to professionally design your cartoon story to brainstorm your audience. Okay, to brainstorm your audience. So that will be the next tutorials, and I will be glad to see you in class. Okay, and also on this channel. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. So lest I forget, you could tap on this section to export the video. All right, so we have save video, and right after tapping on it, we have export with subtitles and export without subtitles. So with subtitles, your writings are going to show. Okay, your writings are going to show. The whatever you type is going to show, and without subtitle nothing is going to show. So let me choose this with subtitles. So once you choose export with subtitles, your video will render. Okay, your video will render. And when using Plotagon, make sure you have enough storage, or you are going to encounter some issues. Okay, you are going to encounter some issues. So you make sure you have enough storage. Okay. All right. So thank you. So once it's done, it will finalize the video, and you see the plot has been saved. Let's tap on done. Okay, let's tap on done. So once you tap on done, it will get back here, and I go back to my video section to play.
Oh, you're in.
Yes. Hope I'm not late.
Have a seat. The bus is not yet. You were late but was fortunate the bus is not in.